T-Mobile and Google Fi both offer unlimited plans and 5G, but differ significantly. T-Mobile, a major carrier, owns its extensive 5G network covering over 95% of the U.S. population, including rural areas through its 5G Ultra Capacity network and recent merger with Dish Network's wireless assets in October 2025. Google Fi operates as a mobile virtual network operator, primarily using T-Mobile's network along with roaming agreements with Verizon and AT&T for nationwide coverage. While T-Mobile provides the physical infrastructure, Google Fi focuses on flexible plans with international roaming and pay-as-you-go billing. Pricing-wise, T-Mobile's unlimited plans start at $55 per month per line for the Magenta plan, while Google Fi's base unlimited plan is $70 per month per line, with both offering autopay discounts. T-Mobile's 5G coverage extends across the U.S. with pink indicating 5G areas, while Google Fi's coverage shows green for LTE areas across North America. The main takeaway: T-Mobile offers direct access to its robust network, while Google Fi provides flexibility and multi-network access. Both services advertise unlimited data, but with important caveats. T-Mobile may deprioritize speeds after using 22 gigabytes of high-speed data. Google Fi can throttle speeds for heavy users. For 5G coverage, T-Mobile claims over 500 MHz of mid-band spectrum. Google Fi accesses the same through network agreements. Real-world speeds show T-Mobile averaging 150 Mbps compared to Google Fi's 120 Mbps, according to Ookla speed test. Pricing differs significantly. T-Mobile offers family bundles, like unlimited for up to 5 lines around $150 per month. Google Fi is primarily per line, providing bill credits for unused data. A 2024 outage impacting Google Fi users who rely on T-Mobile's network highlights the risks of MVNO dependency. Ultimately, T-Mobile suits users prioritizing consistent 5G speeds and family plans. Google Fi is ideal for individuals valuing flexibility, international travel, and paying only for usage. T-Mobile holds 30% market share.